Hi there. Welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to check your computer's boot time and shutdown time using the Windows Event Viewer. Let's get started. First, type Event Viewer in the search box. Then, click the corresponding result to open the Event Viewer. Next, navigate to Windows Logs, then System. Right-click on the System item and select Filter Current Log from the context menu. In the Filter window, type 12 6005 6006 13 in the corresponding field. Now, the logs related to System Boot, Log Service Start and End, and System Shutdown will be displayed in the Event Viewer. You can click the Date and Time chronological order. Event ID 12 records the system startup event. Event ID 6005 records the event log service starting. Event ID 6006 records the event log service stopping. Event ID 13 records the system shutdown event. If you only need to check your startup time, just type 12 in the filter window. It's up to you. That's all the information about how to check your system boot and shutdown times. Finally, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it. That's a great encouragement for me. That's all for now. See you in the next video.